Thank you for the inauguration, honorable guests. Mathematics is most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit.
Now I heartily invite Sneha 7th standard for the speech.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಶುಭೋದಯಗಳು. ಇಂದು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 22 ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಗಣಿತ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ರವರು ಭಾರತದ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಗಣಿತಜ್ಞ. ಅವರು 22 ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 1882ರಂದು ಮದ್ರಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. 15ನೇ ವಯಸ್ಸು ತಲುಪುವ ಮೊದಲು ಗಣಿತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ವಿವಿಧ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡಿತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಗಣಿತದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಲು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅವರು ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ನ ಟ್ರಿನಿಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಫೆಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾದ ಮೊದಲ ಭಾರತೀಯ. ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆರ್.ಡಿ. ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬಲವಾದ ಸ್ನೇಹವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು 26 ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1920ರಂದು ರೋಗದಿಂದ ನಿಧನರಾದರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Now I would like to invite Farida 7th standard for the speech.
Good afternoon everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. We celebrate National Mathematics Day on December 22nd every year in India. At first I wish you all a very happy Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on December 22nd, honoring the birth anniversary to mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. It was first observed in the year 2012. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 at Kerala, a very poor family, and died on April 26, 1920 at Kumbakonam due to several health issues. This legendary mathematician made extraordinary contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. It's our pride to remember the extraordinary genius on his birth anniversary. Students and those who are interested in mathematics should try to learn more about him and his contributions. Let's celebrate National Mathematics Day as a humble tribute to him. Thank you.
I would like to invite our honorable chief guest Rajana sir for KPS Dandanelli to speak about this occasion.
Respected headmistress Srimati Amuda Madam, and my beloved colleagues and also my dear students, in our primary section are going to celebrate Mathematics Day today. It's the happiest moment for us. First, I want to appreciate the way of inviting. They have invited us in a different way. They have created a big, beautiful invitation card that was so exciting and was wonderful. I have to appreciate it now. And also, they have taken our signature in the. I already put my signature in 180 degree. It was memorable. I always remember that 180 degree. I asked that student what it indicates a 180 degree. Farida failed to answer my question. I want to request to you, the students, please put your effort in the way of mathematics learning, because your teachers are taking so much effort and also struggle to teach you. So please give respect to them in this way. According to me, life is a mathematics. Life is a mathematics. Profit and gain is addition. What you loss is subtraction. And your good behavior will gain profit in the way of multiplication, and share your responses in activities and every thing in your life like division. And also, I would like to thanks to inviting me in this great situation for our primary section HM Amuda madam and also mathematics creative teacher Kavya madam also. Students, you should become a big zero in your life. I am saying in a different way because when you put the zero in front of the number, it get the value of endless. Okay, thank you for giving this great opportunity in this great occasion, all of you. Once again, I would like to say thanks to all of you.
Mathematics is the biggest motivation because it starts from zero and goes up to infinity. Now we are presenting skit on life of Srinivas Ramanujan. Firstly, I introduce all the characters. First character of Ramanujan, Junior Ramanujan, Mr. Kumar from class 5, and Senior Ramanujan, Starvin from class 5. Character of J.H. Hardy, Indrani from class 6. J.H. Hardy's friend, Amisha from class 6. And characters of Nitish, Afifa and Tejas from class 5. And character of Ramanujan's mother, are you all interested to watch the skit now? Yes. Okay, let us begin.
We take food afterward.
Okay.
Ramanujan was genius in mathematics from his childhood. He was very much interested in solving problems and found happy while solving them. When he reached age 11, he was recognized as talented boy in mathematics. At the age of 14, he was taking mathematics classes at local high schools. But after high school, he went to several schools and failed to get admission because he concentrated only in mathematics. So Ramanujan did not get any degree or any job. So his life was under poverty. But with the help of Ramaswamy Iyer, the founder of Indian Mathematical Society, he get research position at Madras University. Ramanujan presented theorems and proof which were more complicated. He sent some of them to the mathematics of England. Let us now watch one scene about it.
Understand anything, do you? When I totally confused. What types of theorems are there? Who has written this?
This is written by Ramanujan, an Indian man, no proof at all. He must be a fraud.
Of course, he may be a fraud, not knowing of the proofs at all. Let us throw it here the paper.
Again, Ramanujan sent a copy of his.
Actually, I can't understand properly his theorems, but one thing I'm sure, he is really a genius. He should be brought to England. Yes, I also think the same. He should be brought to England.
A letter to Ramanujan inviting him to Cambridge. Let us see what happens at Rama's home after getting the letter.
What can I do? They call me to rich comrade. But how can I, ma? How?
Rama, how can you neglect the belief and culture of your family? If it is always in our family to cross the seashore, Rama, let use don't this opportunity.
At the night, it is said god of Rama, come to the dream of mother. He told her that not to be obstacle in the path of her son, fulfilling his life ambitions, and Ramanujan was allowed to go and reach England. England.
Welcome a mathematician from India to our motherland. Thank you, Hardy. I am very much delighted to meet you. Come, let us work together. Please let me know the proofs of the theorems you have said.
It's my pleasure.
How are you, Rama? How do you feel?
Ramanujan saw the theorems with the proof. R.D. was very much excited. R.D. and Ramanujan worked together and produced many theorems. Their friendship was beautiful. R.D. helped Ramanujan to write a theorem and prove it formally. In 1916, Ramanujan was awarded PhD in mathematics research after he was elected to Royal Society of Mathematics in London and also as a fellow of Trinity College. Ramanujan was first Indian to achieve his opportunity, but Ramanujan's health was not supportive to stay in England. Doctors found that he had TB in 1990 and sent to the hospital. R.D. used to visit him in the hospital. One remarkable incident that happened on such visit. Let us watch it.
How are you, Rama? How do you feel?
Not okay, Artie. I'm tired. I feel that my head is one here.
No, Rama, say that. Cheer up. Rama, I want to do something.
Tell me, Artie. Tell me, Artie, what do you want to tell?
Rama, today I came by taxi. That number was a dull number. I felt.
Oh, what was that number?
It was 1729.
No, Artie, no. It's any interesting number. 1729 is equals to 1000 plus 729 is equals to 10 cube plus 9 cubes, and also 1729 is equals to 1728 plus 1 cube 1 is equals to 12 cube plus 1 cube. So it is the smallest number that can be used of expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways.
Wow, Rama, you are great. You are really a genius.
It shows that
Team who represented the most interesting skill.
Now I would like to call Kushi and team for the mathematics shape songs and for third and fourth standard. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere.
I am a square, I am a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides, I have four sides. I am a square, I am a square.
I am circle, I am circle. I go round and round and round. I don't have any sides and corners. I am circle round and round. I am triangle. I am triangle, I am triangle, I am pointing little shapes. I have three sides, I have three sides. I am triangle, triangle. I am a rectangle, I am a rectangle, like a really long square. I have four sides. I am a rectangle, I am a rectangle. I am star, I am star in the sky so far. I have five pointy arms. I have five pointy arms. I am star, I am star. I am a heart, I am a heart. I saw the curvy, I saw the smart. I am a really lovely shape. I am a heart, I am a heart. Let's see. I am a diamond. You can see me, I am wearing. I am a so shiny. I am a so bright. I am a so shiny. I am a so bright. I am a diamond. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಣಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಇಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಾನುಜಂರವರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಗಣಿತ ವಿಷಯದ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುವುದನ್ನು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ.